Cover surface function can be used to create smooth patches between multiple adjoining surfaces. You could think of it as a bridge surface on steroids. While a bridge surface forms a transition between two surfaces, a cover surface can transition between all of the surfaces surrounding an area. For each boundary, we can specify a tangent or non-tangent condition. In special cases, we can also provide additional control using guides. We can also adjust the fullness of the surface prior to final acceptance. So in this exercise, we'll see that using the edge curve surface simply makes a patch between adjoining surfaces with edge connection. Using the cover surface, we get a smooth patch that flows tangentially into the adjoining surfaces. So let's open up sample file kcv-hybrid10.ckd. You'll see an edge curve surface on the upper part and a cover surface on the lower part. Let's zoom in on this collection of surfaces. We'll click on the delete icon and delete this patch at the top. Let's click on edge curve surface. We'll use the change select option, and then we'll select these three edges and click on accept. Next, we'll select this edge and click on accept. Then we'll select these three edges and click on accept. And finally, we'll click on this edge and click on accept. A surface is created that connects to all of the adjoining faces with no gaps. The transition, however, is abrupt. We would call this a G0 transition. Let's use the delete function and get rid of that patch. Now click on the cover surface icon. We'll use the tangent option. Click on OK. We'll select all of the edges surrounding the gap. Once we select them all, we'll click on Accept. Then we'll click on Done. You'll notice that you can adjust the fullness of the surface. The cover surface is created that fills the gap and flows tangentially into the adjoining surfaces. So let's recap. In this exercise, we used the cover surface to create a smooth patch between adjoining surfaces. It behaves like a bridge surface on steroids. While a bridge surface forms a transition between two surfaces, a cover surface can transition between all of the surfaces surrounding an area. We use the tangent option for all of the boundaries in this example. In special cases, we can also provide additional control using guides for the interior. We also can adjust the fullness of the surface prior to final acceptance. So while the edge curve surface simply made a patch between the adjoining surfaces with edge connection, the cover surface created a smooth patch that flowed tangentially into the adjoining surfaces.